Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for efficient ways to manage your PDF documents on your Android device? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore some of the best PDF utility apps that can help you merge, split, and edit your PDFs with ease. No matter if you're a student, a professional, or just someone who works with documents frequently, these tools will make your life a lot easier. Let's jump right in and check them out. PDF Utility PDF Tools. PDF Utility PDF Tools is a comprehensive app designed to provide various features for managing and editing PDF documents. This app allows users to perform functions such as merging multiple PDF files into one, splitting a large PDF into smaller parts, and converting images to PDF format. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate and utilize the app's powerful tools. Additionally, it offers options for compressing PDF files, rearranging pages, and extracting images from PDFs, making it a versatile solution for anyone who frequently works with PDF documents. PDF Utils Merge, Split v Edit. PDF Utils is a feature-rich app that specializes in merging, splitting, and editing PDF files. Users can easily combine multiple PDFs into a single document or divide a large PDF into smaller files based on pages. The app also includes editing features, allowing users to annotate PDFs, add text, and make other modifications to the content. With a user-friendly interface, PDF Utils simplifies the process of managing PDFs, making it accessible for both casual and professional users. Additionally, the app supports various file formats, enhancing its versatility for different document needs. PDF Utility Merge, Split PDF. PDF Utility Merge, Split PDF is an efficient app specifically crafted for merging and splitting PDF files. It enables users to combine multiple PDFs into one consolidated document or split a single PDF into separate files effortlessly. The app provides a straightforward interface that guides users through the merging and splitting process with ease. Additionally, it allows for selecting specific pages to include in the final document, giving users complete control over their PDF management. This app is ideal for those who need a focused tool for handling the merging and splitting of PDFs without unnecessary extras. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best PDF utility apps helps you find the perfect tools for handling your documents efficiently. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful app recommendations and tips. Which app are you excited to try out first? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time.